Hello and welcome to new video in the PowerDirector tutorial series. In this video, I will introduce you to the very basics of Power BI PowerDirector, the PowerDirector interface, and how to deal with what each components mean, and how do you deal with the different uh, options. How do you find out different options in the PowerDirector, and how on the very basic level of how to use that. So what you see at the moment in front of your screen is the opening window of the PowerDirector. So it has first thing you set here is the aspect ratio. So if you click on the top, there you can choose your aspect ratio. Choose 16 by 9 if you are using uh, for YouTube, and this is the area where you will have your audio, video, and also the pictures that you want to add, pictures, text, everything you want to add to your video. So to add a video, very simply just click and drag any of the objects there and put it in a video track, so that will appear in the preview window on your right side. This is a very simple step. So if you want to add an audio, click on an audio track and drag it to the audio track below. And you can, there are three tabs. That is, first one is video, second one is audio, and the third one is the effects track. So you can enable or disable any of them by clicking on this checkbox. Currently you are viewing that in the timeline mode, but if you click a tab, if at here it will go to the storyboard mode. Then if you click play, then it will play. So this is an image, there is nothing to play in that video, and you can change it by previous frame, or you can seek by a minute or second or a frame, or you can seek to the next frame or fast forward. And if you click the camera button, it will create a screenshot of your work at that second. And there are different ways to adjust the camera. You can set the 3D. There are different options on how you can view the preview. And also if you want to put and this is the library where you will have all your media content. So to import here you can import your media content from your hard disk or from other sources, or if you want to live webcam video, you click on the capture. The capture will open the webcam interface. So if you want to do a live video, what you can do is you can go to the capture, set up your webcam and make, and that will, you can live record and also you can edit the video. So let's go back to the edit. Here we have the media files. On the left side you will see a lot of options. The second one is the effects. So to give attractive effects to your video, you can go to your effects library and you can drag any of the effects to your effects track below. Next is the screen overlay. This is useful when if you want to give any drawings on your video. So this is that we already have a lot of predefined shapes, so you can use them and resize them. Next is the sparkling effects. So I'll show you a demo of that. See what happens. Just drag them to the video track, and if you play, and you can see the effects. And the next one is the most important one, text. To give a text effects to your video, so you have a lot of text available. You have the motion graphics, you have the normal text, you have the sporty ones, the more TV broadcast one, and you can download n number of templates from the PowerDirector website. Next one is the transition, to give the transition effects between two clips or two scenes in your video. And this is the audio mixing room. In this one you can add different soundtracks to your video and adjust their levels. And next one is the voiceover. The voiceover allows you to speak over your video, so you can live record the audio in your video. There's an option, and this is chapter room. So in the chapter room, you can create different chapters for a long video. So I will give a detailed tutorial on the chapter settings later. And that one is the subtitle room. In here, this is the place where you can define your subtitles. I will come to this tutorials in a later stage. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my videos, to follow my more tutorials, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.